Sumac. Have you heard of it? It's a spice. It comes from the Middle East. So cool, right? Sumac comes from a plant. The plant has berries. We dry the berries, then we grind them. That's how we get sumac. This spice is one of the real oldies, no wonder people have used it for years. Not only do they use it in cooking, they use it for medicine too. It's amazing. Okay, let's talk about taste. Sumac is tangy, like a lemon, but not quite. It's a little sour. It wakes up your mouth. Imagine a burst of zesty flavour that dances on your taste buds, making every bite an adventure. Sumac is great for chicken as it adds a unique tang to elevate the flavour profile of your dish. Sprinkle it on before cooking. The heat will release its full potential, infusing your chicken with a delightful zest. Or try it on fish. The tanginess of sumac pairs perfectly with the delicate flavours of seafood. It makes seafood taste amazing. Whether it's grilled, baked or fried, sumac brings out the best in fish. You can put sumac on vegetables too. Roasted, grilled or even raw, sumac adds a refreshing twist. Try it on roasted carrots or potatoes. The natural sweetness of these vegetables is beautifully complemented by the tasty tang of sumac. Don't forget dips. Sumac is yummy in hummus. It adds a layer of complexity that makes every scoop irresistible. Or mix it with yogurt. So good. The creamy texture of yogurt combined with the tangy flavour of sumac creates a perfect balance as this spice is so versatile. These are the sumac berries. They are pretty cool. They grow in clusters, like little red grapes, and when matured, they're left to dry in the sunshine. Then we make these berries into a powder. Now it's ready to use. Smell the sumac. It smells fruity and tangy. This spice is good for you, in many ways, as this vibrant red berry or spice is packed with antioxidants, which are crucial for maintaining your health. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress, leading to chronic diseases and aging. By incorporating sumac into your diet, you can boost your antioxidant intake and support your body's natural defense mechanisms. They fight off bad stuff. These antioxidants work tirelessly to neutralize free radicals, reducing the risk of inflammation and chronic diseases. Sumac's high antioxidant content makes it a powerful ally in promoting overall health and well-being. Sumac might help your heart. Studies suggest that the antioxidants in sumac can improve heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and preventing the buildup of plaque in the arteries. This can lower the risk of heart disease and stroke, making sumac a heart-healthy addition to your meals. It might help with inflammation too. Inflammation is your body's natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation can lead to various health issues. Sumac has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis and other inflammatory diseases. That's when your body is swollen. Chronic inflammation can cause pain, swelling, and discomfort. By incorporating sumac into your diet, you may help manage these symptoms and improve your quality of life. Some people say sumac helps with blood sugar. Preliminary research suggests that sumac may have a positive effect on blood sugar levels, potentially helping to manage diabetes. However, more studies are needed to confirm these benefits and understand how sumac can be used effectively in this context. But we need more research. While the initial findings are promising, it's important to approach these claims with caution. More extensive research is required to fully understand the potential health benefits of sumac and how it can be integrated into a balanced diet. Remember, sumac is a spice. It's not a medicine. While sumac can be a valuable addition to your diet, it should not be used as a substitute for medical treatment. Always consider it as part of a healthy and varied diet. Talk to a doctor before making big changes. If you're considering making significant changes to your diet or using sumac for its potential health benefits. Originating from the Middle East, this spice has been a staple in many traditional recipes for centuries. It's a beautiful red color. The rich crimson shade can instantly elevate the visual appeal of any dish. Imagine a simple plate of hummus or a bowl of yogurt transformed with just a sprinkle of this stunning spice. It makes food look amazing. The contrast of the red sumac against the natural colors of your ingredients creates a feast for the eyes, therefore, whether you're preparing a casual meal or a gourmet dish. This spice can add that extra touch of elegance. You can use sumac as a garnish. Its versatility means it can be sprinkled on a wide range of dishes, from appetizers to main courses. The tangy flavor of sumac complements both savory and sweet dishes, making it a must-have in your spice collection. That means sprinkling it on top. It makes dishes pop. Try it on salads. A fresh salad with a sprinkle of sumac not only looks more appealing, but also gains a delightful zesty flavor. The spice pairs wonderfully with fresh vegetables, adding a burst of color and taste. Sumac is also great on desserts. Its tangy flavor can balance the sweetness of desserts, creating a unique taste experience. From fruit salads to creamy desserts, sumac can add an unexpected twist. It looks fancy on cakes and cookies. A sprinkle of sumac on cakes and cookies not only adds a pop of color, but also a hint of tanginess that can elevate the overall flavor profile. It's a simple way to make your baked goods stand out, turning ordinary dishes into extraordinary culinary creations. So there you have it. Sumac is amazing. It's tangy and lemony. It makes food taste better. Use it on chicken, fish, soup and vegetables. Put it in dips and sauces. You can even use it on desserts. Sumac is healthy too. It has antioxidants. It might help your body in lots of ways. So go get some sumac. Add a pinch to your next meal. You'll love it. But before you dash off, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment for more future content. Thank you for watching.